All right, so I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of the outside, try to point out anything that you might want to see. Told you I wanted to get you a video. So you can see up here, there's a minor nick right there on the hood. That joint happened the first week after I got the car back from paint. Otherwise, we'll pan around on the right hand side, real clean. Or sorry, the left hand side, driver's side. Check out here, these are the BBS's. Painted, brushed, black bolts, all of those are refinished. And you got the Toyo proxies all seasoned. Follow on the rest of the right hand side of the car. It's pretty clean. Again, when we repainted, we did everything, including the bottom trim down here as well. So that was painted black to give it that factory finish. And then looking at the back wheels, again, these are staggered. So you got the 17x8s in the front, 17x9s in the rear, with the 235 in the back. Same thing all around, right? The brushed. And then the body on this side, really clean, all good. Nothing really on the back. Thought there was maybe one thing on the back to note. Right here, you got that minor nick at some point. I don't know when that happened, but you might be able to see that right there. But otherwise, the rear's clean. I'm gonna pop open the trunk right now for you so you can take a look. If you zoom in here, this is the actual manual conversion kit for your top. So I'll show you how that works in a second. I've got a full-size spare down there because I don't like to mess around. If you're in New York, you get a flat tire, you want to make sure you got a spare. So you'll be good with that one right there. And then you've got the tool kit back here as well. This is the official BBS center cap lock. You got the kit and then ratchet or whatnot. Moving around on the right hand side, you can see I put the new badges here because you got the 328 motor in there. Real clean on this side. Real clean tires and wheels again over here. One small thing I'll show you here on this wheel. Small nick right here on that side, but otherwise the wheel's straight, man. All the wheels and tires are straight, redone. I was upset when that happened, but it's small enough where you can barely see it. And then let's take a look at the inside real quick. So you can see all the door cards. Those were all refinished, double stitching. You still got the factory look. Floor mats, straight from Europe as well. The seats and a houndstooth. All the adjustments have been done. So please pull up. This is fully functional. And then the seats, all the struts in the seats have been redone as well. So you can see it's not easy to push down. You actually got to apply pressure. A lot of people change the seat covers, but they don't bother to do that. This is a brand new Husco cover. That's very uncommon to find on the BMW E30s. You got a small crack on the front dash here. That's exactly why I don't keep it outside. It always stays in the garage. And that one right there. But otherwise, the dash is clean. And we'll go around to the driver's side real quick. And then I'll turn it on. I'll show you how the top goes. So on the driver's side, as you can see, you've got the custom gauge. This is an 8K RPM gauge, which actually matches with the motor. You got a 160 on the odometer, speedometer, and then I've got a couple additional things. So this is all changed and upgraded, the look. And then you also have the steering wheel. I think Dame sent you the pictures of that, right? So that's Italian leather, was rewrapped, brand new, and then you still retain the airbag. I just like safety, man. So if you want to replace that down the road, you can. But again, the seats all redone, refinished. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how the top operates. So to put the top down, you gotta put all the windows down. here. You got the 2 clips. So we'll undo that latch. Undo that latch, push it up. Trunk. The mechanism back here. This flips up. You can zoom in over here. I've got this kickstand. This is a unique kit that I don't think you could actually get online anymore, but that helps you prop it up, just like that. Now you can put the top down, fold it. This goes back down. All of that was redone as well, so you can see that's wrapped with brand new material to match the interior. You go to the back, you latch it down, you lock it, the top is down, and then you can check out the back seats. So, same material, same fabric back here. All of this was re-wrapped as well. And then you've got the custom speakers in the back and in the front. Those are Infinities. I'll show you real quick the radio working. So this is a Continental period correct radio. If you want to add subwoofers down the road or something like that, or an amp, you can. The only thing that's not working on the inside is this cluster right here, but this does work. I do have LED lights in here, so the brake lights will actually show up as if they're not working, but it's because I've got LED rear turn signals and brake lights. Heat works, AC is not connected. I think that was mentioned. The blower motor was replaced. Right, so that blows up above. Old school prints. And then I'll rev it for you a little bit. Show you under the hood real quick as well. So, brand new cover here for the harness that was redone. You've got a clean, nice open intake over there. Brand new manifolds. All of this is brand new. This is brand new as well. The brake sensor is not connected, but you could connect that if you wanted to. You do have the factory air scoop for the alternator, right? M50 manifold, M50 fuel rail. Batteries up front. That's a fairly new battery as well. You can see the washer fluid canister is brand new. Just try to make a clean up here. Brake booster is custom done. So that's about it, man. Let me know if you have any other questions.